Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Ricky Zhang from Breaking News. Today it's our pleasure to have one of the greatest child artists, Dou Dou Zhang, on the line to talk to us about two of her recent masterpiece paintings. Okay, Dou Dou, can you say hi to the audience and briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Dou Dou.
Good. Dou Dou, maybe I will start with the first paintings. Okay, let me first turn around to show the picture, the painting to the audience. So this is the picture called Bird Paradise. Okay, Dou Dou, can you talk about where you draw this picture and when did you draw it?
So this is Bird Paradise, and I drew it on December 3. Landscape is a landscape. So as you can see, I've drawn the water down, and I also draw some trees and shadows to make it like real things. And I also add leaves because in the environment you can actually know that leaves actually have those on top.
Okay, great. Obviously, it's a very beautiful place, the bird's paradise. Can you tell us what's special in this paradise?
So there's one tree, but the one tree is big one. So the trees that use, because one tree provides every tree, so it's a big tree and it's like forest. So inside the trees there were white birds, and so one of the people went with his friends. They ride a boat and they went to the bird paradise and look at the trees around the bird paradise.
Are you talking about the Bajin, which
Yes.
is one of the greatest author in China?
And then they came. They provide the name that is called Bird Paradise, and the Chinese name is called 小鸟天堂. And as you can see, I drew this because when I was riding a boat, and that time I was 6.5, and I drew this on the boat.
Okay, good. Obviously